Hi folks, welcome back to the Health Connection. I'm Chris Coraggio. Joining us today is Dr. Sean Keller. He is a neuromuscular dentist. Doctor, thanks for being here. We appreciate it.
Glad to be here, Chris.
The name of your practice is Smiles by Design.
That's it.
And the topic of our segment here today is holding off on implants. So many patients need the implant. They don't want to go through it. They're, reticent to go through that process. You have an answer for that, don't you?
I do, Chris. There's a few things that I'm really excited about. The first one is a lot of people hold off on getting their implant because of the amount of time it takes. And then the other thing is the amount of discomfort that it might be to get an implant. So we use stem cell therapy. It's an amazing breakthrough in implantology. Basically, we draw your blood and put it in the centrifuge, and we isolate the stem cells out of there. So we get platelets, growth factors, and your stem cells, and we re-inject them into the surgical site. People are healing in about a third to a quarter of the time. And instead of having to use narcotics and painkillers for a few weeks, they're maybe taking a little ibuprofen that night, and that's it.
What an answer in the recovery process.
Yeah.
Right? Some of these implants, now are you talking about titanium implants?
That's another drawback for people is the titanium itself. A lot of people don't like the idea of having metal, or they've seen implants where you get this little dark line at the gum-like, and you can tell an implant a mile away when somebody smiles. Mm-hmm. Now we're using ceramic implants. They're amazing new breakthrough. They're the one-piece, all-white ceramic implant. When we place these in there, they're very holistic. It looks like a natural tooth.
Who's a good candidate for that?
Anybody who's missing a tooth would be a good candidate. Yeah. Or if you've got a bad tooth, or you're missing some teeth genetically, or you've had to have some teeth out, these ceramic implants look amazing.
So the process is not that involved, and you have up-to-date technology with these ceramic implants, correct?
Correct. It used to be if you'd have to have the tooth out, let it heal for a while, then you put the implant in, and then you have to let it heal for quite a few more months, and then you can finally put a crown on it. It might be a year later. Mm-hmm. With these, we can have the tooth out, put the ceramic implant in with the stem cells. A few short weeks later, you're going to have your tooth, and it's not going to interrupt your life that much.
And is the cost through the roof, or is it pretty much what titanium implants?
Because the procedure is so much easier with the high technology, it's about the same.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. What's the website? Let's get people interested to contact you.
It's SeanKellerDDS.com, and the phone number is 425-558-1515.
There it is. Dr. Keller, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Chris.
We appreciate it. Folks, we'll see you next time here in the Health Connection.